Welcome to our video where we talk about how the Tesla Cybertruck might affect the stock price of the company. We would like to remind you to hit the like and subscribe buttons before we get into the specifics. If you've been watching our channel, you've probably come across ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, who is a strong advocate for Tesla's cutting-edge technology. She thinks the F-150, which has dominated the pickup market for several decades, will face serious competition from the Tesla Cybertruck. We'll examine production and delivery data for 2023 and 2024 in this video to see if the Cybertruck has what it takes to propel Tesla shares higher. We'll also talk about Tesla's expected earnings and revenue and how the Cybertruck's success may impact these figures. So have a seat and let's investigate how the Cybertruck might affect Tesla's stock price. Please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons first. As previously mentioned, if you are a subscriber to our channel, Cathie Wood may have appeared on screen a few times. Renowned investor Cathie serves as the CEO of ARK Invest, a company that owns a sizable portion in Tesla. In the past, she has been an outspoken advocate for Tesla and its cutting-edge technology. She even made the bold prediction that Tesla's stock may hit $1,000 by 2025. Not surprisingly, Cathie sees the Cybertruck as having a positive effect on the price of Tesla stock. Cathie expressed her interest in the Cybertruck during an interview, adding that her team has examined every viewpoint and statistic and that the outcomes have outperformed previous models by a wide margin. She also talked about the notorious tug of war that happened between the F-150 and the Cybertruck. As was to be expected, Tesla's amazing engineering triumphed and the Cybertruck took first place. Both the Ford F-150 and the Cybertruck are pickup vehicles with unique features and designs. The F-150 has long held the top spot in the pickup truck market, but Tesla is making its first move into the segment with the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's exterior is constructed of stainless steel and features a sleek shape, sharp edges, and a futuristic appearance. In contrast, the F-150 boasts a more conventional design with softer edges and a boxy appearance. The F-150's design is more traditional, but the Cybertruck's has created a lot of debate and discussion. Impressive performance specs are found in the Cybertruck. It can tow up to 14,000 pounds, has a 500 mile range, and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6.5 seconds. In contrast, the F-150 can tow up to 14,000 pounds, travel up to 700 miles, and come with a variety of engine options that can generate up to 430 horsepower. The Cybertruck boasts a few special features like an air compressor for power equipment, an onboard power outlet, and a retractable tonneau cover. Among the many amenities of the F-150 are an infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a tailboard step, and a Pro Power onboard generator. Each vehicle has advantages and disadvantages, and the best one will rely on the requirements and tastes of the individual. Let's examine 2023 and 2024 production and delivery data to see if the Cybertruck may propel Tesla shares higher. To bring the average price of the Model S and Model X down to $100,000, Tesla needs to cut prices by 10%, something it hasn't done yet, despite the fact that doing so would generate $8.6 billion in sales. The Model 3 and Model Y both receive the same 10% reduction, resulting in average sales prices of $45,000 for the Model 3 and $50,000 for the Model Y. With this model, we bring in over $30 billion a year. Tesla purposefully lowered prices by 14% in the second quarter, but even with this, the company maintained an operating profit of $15.41 in Q4 2022. We project net earnings of more than $3.6 billion, of which $12 billion will come from one source and another $12 billion from another. My estimate for the second half's operating margin is 15%. Next, it is anticipated that the Cybertruck will have a significant effect on the stock price in 2025 to 2027. By 2024, 50,000 Cybertrucks with a starting price of $55,000 are expected to be produced. Only 3,000 Cybertrucks will be produced in 2023 because it is difficult to produce them in large quantities. Even yet, significant margins of more than 20% are anticipated, with total revenue in 2023 estimated to be between $160 and $162 million. This forecast is based on a cautious methodology with a 20% error rate. The estimated net income for 2023 is close to $1.3 billion, $1 billion less than the previous year, with total revenue of about $92.5 billion and an operating margin of 12.2. Higher earnings are anticipated if the Semi is added. It is feasible to construct 50,000 Cybertrucks by 2024, generating over $600 million in income. The average cost of a compact vehicle will also contribute to this gain if the margins expand by 22%. By 2024, the average price of a compact car will have dropped, contributing to a nearly 20-fold increase in the number of Cybertrucks. Because the Semi only costs $150,000, it is anticipated to be even more beneficial because mass production of it will be simpler. All things considered, this will boost Tesla's earnings per share. And by 2023, net income of $20 billion on $132 billion in sales Only the energy industry is expected to provide a 15% margin in stock prices in 2023 and 2024, resulting in a profit of about $1 billion. Over the last 3 quarters, Tesla's energy operating margin has ranged from 10% to 12%, and in the next fourth quarter, it is anticipated to increase by 12%. As a result, given the current level of activity, a 15% growth is anticipated in 2023. To ascertain if the market will be in a bull or bear phase in 2024, further data is required. Rebates will be available for all 2.5 million automobiles produced, generating $150 billion. It appears absurd to forecast $1.5 billion in revenue and a 16% profit margin that would exceed $1.8 billion in profit. The profitable and inventive Tesla has decreased the number of outstanding shares from 3.2 billion to 3.3 billion. Among Tesla's ambitious plans are the energy and FSD sectors, as well as the Cybertruck, which with strong sales has the potential to propel. The company's PE to $461 a share and $1.5 trillion by 2024. Consider this Dane has long harbored an interest in Tesla shares and was an avid investor in automobiles. She was inspired to write after reading an intriguing article one day on financial planning and early retirement regarding her own prospects. She began mentally calculating how much it would cost to retire at 40 and live comfortably till 80 years of age. She calculated that in order to pay her bills, she would require about $4,000 per month or $48,000 per. That would cost her an astounding $1,920,000 over 40 years. However, she suddenly recalled something. Having tracked Tesla's stock for many years, she was aware of the company's potential for growth. After doing some quick research, she discovered that she could purchase around 4,339 Tesla shares for $700,000 market value. That made her consider the following scenario. What if she bought Tesla shares today and kept onto it for the ensuing years? She could sell her shares at a much higher price and make a profit that would enable her to retire early and live well for the remainder of her life if the company's stock value improved as she anticipated it would. Jane made the bold decision to purchase Tesla stock. She actively monitored the company's development and the price of the shares. As the years passed, Jane saw the value of Tesla shares rise steadily. She was shocked to see that her shares were valued more than $72 million when she verified their value after turning 40. Jane might retire comfortably and lead the life of her dreams with that amount of money. She would never have to worry about money again, allowing her to travel the world, engage in her hobbies, and follow her passions. And all of it was made possible by her astute purchase of Tesla stock. In conclusion, given the increasing value of the Cybertruck, Tesla has an undeniable potential for development and profit. Making wise financial choices and following a well-thought-out plan will enable you to retire early. Cathie Wood's faith in Tesla's future encourages investors to jump in and make a stake in this cutting-edge and exciting business. Please like and subscribe for more videos if you like this one. Please take note that I have made some changes to the text grammar and clarity. Tell me if you require any other changes.